Good evening, Sir Clem. This is part of our report, and my partner here is Lucinda Gracilia. So today I will be discussing the role of media in history, the challenge of the electric age, the importance of media literacy, and conclusion. Let's begin by exploring the role of media in history. Media has consistently been a transformative force. Consider the French Revolution, which was greatly influenced by the widespread availability of print media. Alexis de Tocqueville recognized how print could unify national ideologies. Napoleon even remarks that three hostile newspapers are more to be feared than 1,000 bayonets, underscoring the power of media in shaping public opinion and political strategies. Through history, media has not just recorded events but actively shaped them. Moving forward to the electric age, media underwent a paradigm shift, unlike the sequential nature of print and mechanized forms like film. Electric media introduced simultaneity. This new era, as Marshall McLuhan famously noted, proved that the medium is the message, highlighting how the format of communication could influence society far beyond the content itself. Electric speed not only changed communication but transformed how we perceive and interact with the world. Next slide. In today's information rich environment, media literacy has become more critical than ever. It, it equips us to decode messages, analyze biases, and resist misinformation. This literacy isn't static. It evolves as media platforms grow more complex. For instance, understanding the algorithm behind social media platforms can help us navigate their impact on public opinion and democracy. To wrap up, media's role through history and to the modern age underscore its dual power to unify and disrupt. As a media consumers, we must engage critically, leveraging literacy to navigate the complexities of the post-modern era. Let us move forward with the awareness that while media shapes us, we too can shape how it is used. So that's all, sir. Thank you for listening.